Yo, this is Cody from Artlab Plus, a digital media studio for teens. We're located in the sculpture garden of the Hirshhorn Museum. So go ahead and come down and check us out from Monday through Friday, 3 to 7. All right, so today we're going to be learning how to do some papercraft. And if you're wondering what papercraft is, this is papercraft. It's totally rad, it's very easy to learn, and it's a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here are some of the supplies that you're going to need. The first is going to be a steady ruler. It doesn't have to be this long. This is just what we have. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, comfortable pair of scissors, and if you have one, an X-Acto knife. You'll need your puzzle piece. I've already cut this one out. Just remember to print it out on a cardstock paper. The weight's usually about 110 pounds. And then you're going to need some adhesives. I like to use hot glue. It's just quicker and it's stronger. So you can also use Elmer's, you can use glue sticks, and some people also like to staple. So these are our supplies, and let's go ahead and learn some of the techniques for folding the papercraft now. So this is your puzzle piece, and as you can see, there are two types of lines. There are a dashed line with very small spaces and a dotted line with slightly larger faces. So the dashed line is going to be a hill fold, and the dotted line are going to be a valley fold. And before I get into the differences, let's go ahead and take your X-Acto knife and along the dull side of the blade, pressing very lightly, go ahead and trace out these lines. You don't have to press too hard. You don't want to cut all the way through. You're just scoring it. So what that's going to do, when you fold this type of line, it's going to give you a very even edge. All right? So this dashed line is what's called a hill fold. For the hill folds, I like to just use the edge of the table. So take your puzzle piece along the edge and fold very carefully, and there we go. As you can see, by scoring it, you get a nice clean fold. The other type is the hill or the valley fold. These are the dotted lines. So these are going to be the opposite fold. This is going to be a valley. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to line it up correctly. And again, I'm going to score the line first by taking and pressing, not very hard. And then I'm going to fold along the metal ruler. All right. So this is an example of a valley fold. So we have a hill fold and a valley fold. So go ahead and complete all the different folds that you have, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so as you can see on the edge of your puzzle piece, that there's a number and a color. These correspond with the exact same number and the exact same color on someone else's piece. So all you have to do is find the number. This one's 15I, and look for someone else with the same tab. Who has 15I? Who's got it? All right, great, let's glue it together. So when you found the two corresponding puzzle pieces, go ahead and glue one side of one of the tabs all along the edge, and quickly and firmly place the two corresponding tabs together. Careful not to burn yourself. I always burn myself. And hold the two edges together for a few seconds until they're properly dried. All right, so once you've finished this one, go on to the next tab and over until you've completed all the tabs. And at the end of it, you'll have a fully completed papercraft model. Good luck with it and have fun.